Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying your phone plan supports USB tethering and that you have a reliable USB cable. This prevents surprises later. Once done, plug the phone into the console host computer or directly to the Ps4 via USB. If your phone restricts tethering, enable USB tethering in phone settings. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi hotspots are off to force the USB route. This sets a clean network interface that Ps4 can detect without interference. Now you configure the Ps4 to use the USB network. Go to Settings Network Setup Internet Connection and select Use a LAN cable even though the link comes from USB. The Ps4 treats it as wired. Choose Easy for automatic IP and DNS, or Manual to enter values if your carrier blocks certain ports. Once set, run Test Internet Connection to confirm speed and NAT type. If NAT is strict or connection fails, tweak phone USB tether options or change DNS to a public resolver. Finish by confirming downloads, party chat, and online play work. Observe latency and download rates. If performance is poor, restart the phone and Ps4, try a different USB port or cable, and disable battery saver on the phone. For NAT problems, enable UPnP on your router or use DMZ to open ports. This matters because the Ps4 needs specific ports for voice and matchmaking. If USB tethering still fails, connect the phone to a PC and share that PC's Ethernet to the Ps4 as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.